Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again here with another video, and it's time for another VR for Sammi, Prepper and Bushcraft Australia. Now she's currently doing 1,000 sub giveaway, and I'll put a link in the description down below on her channel, and you can go check her out and participate in this 1,000 sub giveaway that she's doing right now, and give her a sub and a like and all that good stuff. Alright, now Sammi wanted to know for part of this VR what are our 3 favorite things about her or her channel. So first thing, straight up, is the sound effects. Wah wah wah, snip snip, pew pew. Just kidding. Yes, I like the sound effects that you give Sammi. Makes it more interesting, especially when I'm listening to it. Now the next thing I like about her channel is when she goes out shopping. Or as she says, "What's in the shops today?" in her own voice. And the last thing is your fire kits and fire starter videos with your jumbo ferro rod, your fat wood, your wax, your jute twine, your petroleum jelly, your con, your dryer lint. So, if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and hit like. Now, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. One person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Alright guys, until the next video for me, it's peace out from CR. Later guys.